Wanted to say welcome to all those out there that are Odyssey key fans, and especially you nerds. Today I'm going to give you a little update on what I've been up to. I'm still new to Unreal Engine, so I'm learning a little bit each time and writing documents and watching tutorials and all that kind of stuff, just like I did with iClone. Anyway, so I started out, as you guys remember maybe last time, I had kind of a pretty barren landscape. And as you can see, there's some big changes with the rocks and the grass and all this kind of stuff. And what I've finally learned how to do was texturize the height mesh without adding stuff on it like vegetation. So it kind of started, I won't get you too deep into it, but it started by doing a material blend like this. These ones adjust the scale of the material. I got grass and dirt and rocks, and you can add more in here, and then it all gets blended together so you can paint this on the texture. So that was really cool. And then from there I added a little bit of fun to the blueprint so that I could switch between several of the characters here. I won't explain how this works, but basically I can switch using some keys that I mapped them to the different players, so I can give you a perspective of what it's like to play them just for fun. And with that said, let's look around a little bit and then we'll play a little bit. Okay, so let's starting out back here. You can start to see the texture that's been painted on and then kind of blended in. It's kind of cool. The trees are looking really great. And if you kind of look back this way, I've added a little bit of a new feature here on top. This will let us look from the top anyway. Okay, so here on the top we've got a little place where we can add a new structure. You can see it how it's kind of flattened out up here. So I plan on putting some new building structures up there. Kind of get a look around. You can see with the addition of the grass and the rocks, it kind of has more perspective all the way around now. A little more depth and color. So that's kind of neat. Okay, so let's get down here and do something fun. All right, so there's a character player down here. Let's go ahead and play, and I'll show you switching between characters, what that might look like just for fun as well. Okay, so I'm going to maximize this screen, and then I'm going to, whoops, I don't know if I can play. Let's see, play from here. Let's try that.
Nobody panic. I'm
okay.
Here. What are we doing?
Okay, so I'm going to right click in order to get into the game without shooting that tree in front of me. I'm going to just come over here out of the way for now. Oh, let's shoot him just for fun. Okay, so you can see it's a battle zone up ahead. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take over the Crunch player. Actually, I'm going to take over Murdoch and then Crunch right next to him. So let's take over Murdoch right now so you can see what he looks like. Big dude. So now I can adjust where he's firing that weapon. I'm going to fire it over there so we don't hit anybody. Now let's go look at Crunch. Oh, here's Crunch. Alright, so let's get him running down the lane and go over here and woo, he's got a big left hook. Let's see if he can use it on Rampage. Boom, miss him. Oh, we just got knocked for a loop. Boy, I think we're done. Oh man, look at this aerial view. Ooh. So he just got cracked. That's a good time. Oh, it looks like we landed. Oh, he didn't wipe us out completely. So let's go back to our other character play here. All right, so we can still take care of it. Oh, we just died. Let's go back to number 6. Okay, so we can play him, and we can actually lay some fire on him. He didn't like that very good. Okay, let's go up to number 9. Okay, so this is our Shadow Ops character. It looks like somebody's already shot the turret, so the turret's dead. We're safe to run down here. So you can run down like this, okay? So then we can go back to, oh, we died over here, so. Okay, so we can go back to this player and play this one a little bit. Alright, so he's running a little bit of a montage where he's running this rapid fire thing all the time, but, okay, we got about 35 seconds left. Let's see, we can switch over to number 6. Oh. I don't know where he is. He's like off of the map somewhere. We got knocked out so far. Okay, there's Crunch. You can run him around a little bit. He got knocked so far out of the game though. It's just fun to run. Oh, see, there's the tower way over. That's how far we got knocked. So let's go back to this player and see if we can do something there. Oh! Looks like the two Shadow Ops characters are going to blow each other up. Oh, and that's it. So, all right. So that's it for today. Just to give you an idea where we're at, what I'm really spending a lot of time on is the game design document to identify what the gameplay is going to be all about. So in the process of learning the different things, I'm sharing those with you. But like I said, I'm not going to be sharing the gameplay doc with you. That would ruin the game. It's been Gerald Clark with you on October 15th, 2018. Hope you enjoyed that. Talk to you soon.